Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about 15 journal prompts for self-discovery. Till now 2020 has been very tough year for everyone. Initially I was not affected that much. But last 1 month I was feeling lost. There was no motivation. I was beginning to forget my true self. I felt this is the high time I have to rediscover myself. I tried to answer 15 questions. I know, like me, lots of people are going through this phase. So here I am sharing with you those questions and my answers. It might be daunting task for few people, but try to be true to yourself. Even if you don't know the answers, it is okay. Take your time, spend time with yourself. Slowly, you will get the answer. So without further ado, let's begin. What makes me happy? What do I love doing? As I was not feeling good to do anything, I wanted to recall all those hobbies or activities which usually make me happy and I love doing. So I made a list, and every day for 1 month I asked myself which one of these activities will make me happy right now, and I did accordingly. Like this way, I learned how to control my emotions, my thoughts. What are 10 things I love about myself? It can be anything: talent, quality, nature, physical appearance, etc. Like this way, you get to know yourself more, and this makes you more confident. When was the last time I truly felt alive? I love nature. Whenever I walk in the woods, I always feel refreshed, alive. Last year I went to Bondi Guji walk in Sydney. I completed this walk in 4 hours. My words are not sufficient to describe the beauty of the ocean. This is definitely one of my memorable moments in my life. Who motivates and inspires me the most and why? Here, why is the most important, because if you are influenced by someone or something, you have to know that is it positive influence or negative? Is this person help you to grow in your life or not? What are the 5 things I am grateful for in my life? Honestly, this is very easy question for me, because every day I practice gratefulness. Either after getting up in the morning or before going to sleep, I try to write 10 to 15 things I'm grateful for in my life. How can I help my future self? I believe what you want to become in future, start living that life in present. Means fake it until you make it. Learn new things every day, invest time and money on new skills, learn from mistakes, be patient, and more important thing is don't give up. Do I need validation from others? Sometimes I seek for it. Honestly, I don't feel validation is a bad thing, but you should not make it a habit. Do I know how to forgive myself after a big mistake? Honestly, I don't know. And I feel it is okay if your answer is negative. If we realize what is the mistake, we can work on that, and slowly we can rectify. When I feel emotionally drained out, do I take a rest or think of giving up? I believe if you are exhausted in life, if you are tired because of your problems, learn how to take a rest. Never ever give up on yourself or on your life. To live a better life, to achieve goals, you have to learn how to take a rest. What limiting beliefs I have that is making me feel stuck? I can proudly say that because of practicing law of attraction, I don't have limiting beliefs anymore. I believe I can achieve anything in my life. I took almost 7 to 8 years to overcome this limiting beliefs. If I can do, anyone can overcome this problem. My 5 qualities I am proud of. When you are proud of yourself, that means you have a strong sense of self-worth. It boosts confidence. Automatically, you stop comparing yourself with others, which leads you to happy, healthy life. What does self-care mean to me, and what can I do to practice more self-care throughout the week? I always practice 5 types of self-care throughout the week: physical, mental, spiritual, intellectual, and social self-care. Soon I'm planning to make a video on this topic so everyone will get clear idea about it. What did I learn from last year? I learned success is very subjective. Only you can define what success is. Success means achieving your goals according to your plans. Don't let society decide whether you are successful or not. What is my biggest strength and weakness? When you know your strength and weakness, you become more self-aware, and automatically you know how to handle a situation or how to react on any situation. What does my ideal life look like? I often visualize and write my life. Research has shown that we stimulate the same brain regions when we visualize an action and when we actually perform that same action. There are lots of scientific reasons why we should visualize and write our goals every day. I have given few articles link and videos link in the description box, so please go and read and watch those videos. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I will suggest to make a separate journal for self-discovery where you can track your thought process and you can read whenever you want. If you have any queries, please comment down below, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.